Collapse cell in Jupyter Notebook. I am using Jupyter Notebook. Let's say I defined a function that occupies a lot of space on my screen. Is there a way to collapse the cell? I want the function to remain executed and callable, yet I want to hide/collapse the cell in order to better visualize the notebook. How can I do this?
You can create a cell and put the following code in it. Running this cell will hide all input cells. To show them back, you can use the menu to clear all outputs. Otherwise, you can try notebook extensions like below. This URL.
Update. The newer Jupyter Lab is a more modern and feature-rich interface which supports cell folding by default. See at Insco's answer below. Update 2. Since Jupyter Lab now also supports extensions, you can extend the built-in cell folding functionality with the collapsible_headings extension. Original answer. The Jupyter Contribution Extensions Python package contains a code folding extension that can be enabled within the notebook. Follow the link, GitHub, for documentation. To install using command line. To make life easier in managing them, I'd also recommend the Jupyter Extensions Configurator package. This provides an extra tab in your notebook interface from where you can easily activate all installed extensions. Installation.
I had a similar issue, and the env extensions, pointed out by @Energizer, worked very well and effortlessly. The install instructions are straightforward. I tried with Anaconda on Windows, for the notebook extensions and for their configurator. That said, I would like to add that the following extensions should be of interest. Hide input. This extension allows hiding of an individual code cell in a notebook. This can be achieved by clicking on the toolbar button. Collapsible headings allows notebook to have collapsible sections, separated by headings. Code folding, this has been mentioned, but I add it for completeness.
Jupyter Lab supports cell collapsing. Clicking on the blue cell bar on the left will fold the cell.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.